guys, so I'm installing this proximity sensor. This is how to install a proximity sensor onto a Viper alarm. This is just the budget $50 3100V by Viper, one way. It's just no two-way or anything, just basic. And before I tuck this away and hide it, I wanted to show you guys how to do this, because I searched it. There's nothing on it. There's just people demonstrating, but there's no installs. And this is going to be very good for all of you old school guys and a lot of people who have these alarms on newer vehicles and don't use factory alarms. So there's two issues that I am running into, but I'll address that after. So red is going to be hot, 12 volt, constant. You could just plug this right where your constant is for the alarm. Just tap in right there. Black is going to be earth, obviously, and this is where things are kind of like mixed around, and I kind of had to play with it until I finally found out that blue is going to be for your green door trigger, and green is going to be on violet trigger, door trigger. And that's all. Pretty basic. So green is to violet and blue is to green. And I tried switching them around. I did other little sequences and nothing worked. And yeah, that's just what I tried. So the two issues I'm running into is basically this thing is not that sensitive. I put it inside the car right here. I pass by the car and nothing happens. I get super close and nothing happens. I set it up here on the dashboard and I wave my hand outside the window like this, and I could get the green light, and as soon as it goes to red right there, it triggers the alarm. So it does work. It does activate the alarm. This does through motion. It's a motion sensor, proximity sensor. Whenever somebody's in, you know, that area, it's gonna trigger the alarm. So that's one thing, is that I can't, and then I already have it where it's already all the way up, like the little thing. So I might just get a nicer one of these. This one was just a cheap eBay one that I bought for like 12 bucks. They have these for like $50, so I'm guessing the more, you know, expensive ones from Viper is obviously better. But yeah, so you live and you learn. You know, you pay more, you get more. You pay less, you get less. So yeah, so it's not that sensitive. The second thing is that the green one is basically your warning that chirps, and I don't think mine is chirping because I have my alarm disconnected. But yeah, it doesn't really work. Nothing like this doesn't, you know, move or nothing, you know, the relay inside here. But whenever you get close enough and I wave my hand and I activate the red, the alarm goes off. So yeah, as far as like a warning, I don't know how to get that going. And the sensitivity is basically this being cheap. So I'm going to demonstrate it and let's see how it works. All right, so I'm going to set it right here. I got the key. Close the door. Yeah, this thing doesn't even want to focus. There we go. Okay, so there it is right there. I stood away. There's no siren, so you're only going to see the light. So I'm going to arm it. It's armed. Get close. See how it's green? Nothing's happening. Get closer, 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 closer. Somebody wants to peek in. Bam, it turned red, and your alarm is going off. There we go. So that's exactly how you do it, guys. Right there. So now let me turn it off. This is warning me that something happened. There, it's armed. Get close. I mean, look inside. I'm a thief. Let me look inside. See, it's not activating it. There, it went off. And there it goes right there. So that's freaking badass for you guys who want to know how to connect a proximity sensor. And you can hear the relay right there. So yeah, so that's gonna be green to violet, blue to green, and this is gonna be for basically any Viper alarm to plug in a proximity sensor. Hell yeah.